Today we're breaking down all the different types of homes you find here in New Jersey, what makes them special, when they were built, and which ones buyers are seeking the most.
Stick around to the end to see which style holds its value no matter the market.
Hey guys, we're Galina and Marina, and if you found your way to this channel and you're looking to move to the burbs, hit subscribe, follow us for more content, and reach out if you need help.
One of very common styles of homes that you will find in New Jersey is a Sears Four Square. It's such a fantastic idea. It's like IKEA for homes. So believe it or not, Sears used to sell homes through catalogs. So you would be able to pick your home and all the finishes. It would come delivered to you in parts, and it would have to be assembled on the spot. So someone would purchase land, put in a foundation, and then would have this house assembled. And the reason it's called a four square, it's because it's actually 4 rooms, like a perfect square, 4 rooms on the first floor, and then you have 4 bedrooms on the second floor. So it's 4 over 4. They're very standard. There's many of them throughout central and northern New Jersey, and you can kind of drive around and see how some of them, someone paid a little bit extra, got the extra package, you know, the one that came with a wraparound porch, or the one that came with an extra stained windows. I love Sears Four Squares because to me it's just like, oh my god, over 100 years ago they were assembling homes and like having them delivered. Amazon package your home.
Pretty much, and they are very well maintained. People again who own these homes are very proud of them. Another very common home style you find in New Jersey is a split level. Split levels are very unique to this area. Basically, you almost kind of going a half a level up for every floor. So you come into a home, you have a grand first floor, then about 6 or 7 steps up take you to the second floor, where you usually have all your bedrooms and bathrooms. Another few steps will take you to like the attic, which is usually used for a rec area, or could even be a bedroom if it has a closet, some windows. And then going downstairs is a very similar concept. Few stairs will take you down to like the basement level, but it's actually ground level, so that's really cool. So you could have a walkout to your patio or your backyard. And then another couple of stairs will take you to the actual basement where you store things. So kind of like if you think about it, a split level comes with 5 levels. Marina actually really likes split levels because there's less stairs for kids to fall on. So if you're like tumbling down the stairs, you only got 5 stairs.
But also everyone is within reach. No one can pretend, oh, I was on the 3rd floor, I didn't hear you yelling for me. I also find split levels to be one of those homes that end up being great opportunities for someone who doesn't mind doing a little extra work, or for an investor, because depending on the lot size, many of them have the space to add another whole level on top, creating a primary suite in addition to your other bedrooms. So really it's one of those homes that you just keep on going and going and going, and it's endless amount of space. So if space is what you're looking for, split level is for you.
And they were mostly built in the 1950s and 60s, so you see a lot of them already need a little bit of updating. So it's a great opportunity to get into the town you love. It may be not the most commonly desired style of a home, but it is a very versatile one.
If you know me, you know one of my absolute favorites is a good Victorian home. Victorian homes were built in the late 1800s, early 1900s. They're known for their high ceilings, big windows, wraparound porches. Many of them have hand-carved details, and a lot of the homeowners currently are such fans of these beautiful homes that they will paint them in really bright, beautiful colors, and you can see so much pride showing off. I love me a Victorian.
I know, and we're actually working with a builder right now, and we're restoring a Victorian home right here in Westfield, New Jersey. It is massive. It's over 4,000 square feet, and we're going to take you there so you can take a look.
Yeah, you can watch the restoration and see what the before and the after looks like. We love our Victorian. We've been known to sell a few in a neighborhood, and we love the opportunity to have them preserved and just given a fresh new life.
Also, it does often come with ghosts. Another great home, especially for first-time home buyers, is a cape. They're usually small. I would say anywhere between 1,200 and maybe 1,600 square feet. A cape is usually laid out in a way where the first floor is your living room, kitchen, normal dining room layout, and the second floor has 2 bedrooms. Sometimes you're missing the dining room on the first floor and you get a bedroom on the first floor instead. So really it's a small 2 to 3 bedroom home It's a great starter home just because eventually when you save up a little bit more, you could add a level. So what does that mean? You actually could convert it into a colonial home. You remove the roof, you remove the second floor, and you just build up. That allows you to add more bedrooms on top. That allows you to have normal ceiling height on top, which is usually not available in a Cape. But it is a great starter home, and it is something that you could purchase anywhere between 300 to about 600,000 and be able to get into some great towns.
And it takes a local agent to understand these development opportunities, because sometimes you will see a Cape Cod and a beautiful large lot and always sees the potential. We know that you can expand it, you can go up, you can do an extension in the back, and the potential for a family to get in that doesn't mind doing a little bit of work is great, because they get a really nice, fully renovated home that otherwise wouldn't have been an option for them.
100%. Another really important layout of homes is a ranch. So there's a lot of ranches here in New Jersey. Ranch is usually just a one level. It's really great for pretty much anybody, but a lot of older people do tend to purchase ranches or want to purchase ranches because it's one level living. Your entire life is on one floor. Your kitchen, your bathrooms, your living room, your bedrooms. And the nice part about a ranch is the basement usually matches the first floor. So you're basically doubling your square footage between your basement and your first floor. So you could finish the basement, you could have a rec room there, you could actually add a bathroom, a playground, a play area. There's a lot of potential in the basement, and it usually has really high ceilings as well. But another great opportunity is to add a level. So if you're just keep adding levels. So you already have this beautiful structure. It fits your needs, but maybe you want to add a few more bedrooms to the top because you just had more kids or your mother-in-law is moving in with you. It is a great way to add more square footage to already a really solid home. One of the most common homes you'll find here in New Jersey is a typical colonial home. Originally built in the 1900s to 1940s, but obviously have been adapted to a more modern look over the years. It is easily recognizable. It's usually very symmetric. You have beautiful shutters on the windows. It has the most incredible curb appeal, and that is timeless. There are really no cons to owning a colonial. Usually they do have smaller kitchens, but honestly, over the years, everyone has expanded their colonials, so you'll find them with beautiful kitchens like this one.
It really is a truly grand home and really are beautiful. Well, Galina, that all sounds wonderful, but here I am, I'm out of state, and I don't have a builder in New Jersey that would put up a level for me, and it's really overwhelming to even think about something like that. How would you be able to help me?
I got you covered. We'll actually be filming a video really soon for you, so please subscribe and follow us for more information, because we're going to be talking to a builder who does this day in and day out. Builds beautiful luxury homes as well as additions and expansions like Marina and I just spoke about. But one thing we didn't discuss yet is the home we're standing in right now. So what is this?
A new construction home, which is completely brand new. If that's your thing, then we have great relationships with many builders, and you have an opportunity to get in right before it's finished, and maybe often have choices of some of the finishes as well.
That's correct. And this is actually a colonial. So this is a revamp of a colonial style home. But there are different types of sleek modern homes that you will find throughout New Jersey. But this is the type that is mostly recreated. And why?
Because colonials are truly timeless. No matter the market, colonial is always the most preferred style by far.
Whether you're buying, selling, or just dreaming, learning about all these home options gives you an idea of what you could get right here in New Jersey.
And if you're still not sure which style would fit your needs better, reach out. We would love to chat with you and advise you and help you guide you to your dream home.